let's get to work on the 3-stranded plait. So this is what you're going to end up with. You can see every single colour is interlooped. So you need all 3 strands on your board at this point. If you find it easier, what you can do is just pop the numbers 1, 2 and 3 at the top of your board. Now, as you get more confident, you will find that your fingers really are what keep the strands apart, but that's something that comes with practice, so don't worry too much. I like to start by just having them all in my hand ready, so they're all separated. Now, to start off with, what you need to remember is there's always going to be something in the middle. So there's 3 strands here, there's always going to be something falling into the middle. And to start off with, that's going to be strand 3. So you're just going to cross it over strand 2 and let it fall into the middle. Next, you're going to take strand 1 over the top of strand 3 and let that fall into the middle. Strand 2 is now going to go over the top of strand 1 and take middle place. Now, if you pull it tightly, you can see that these plaits are already starting to form. Don't worry too much if it's slack, it's something you will learn with time. So now strand 3 is going to come over the top of strand 2 and fall into the middle. Strand 1 is now going to go over the top and fall into the middle. And you've guessed it, after strand 1 comes strand 2. And then strand 3. Then strand 1, strand 2, strand 3, strand 1, strand 2, strand 3. Okay, and I'm just going to show you what happens if we just pull it a bit tighter. Your plait will bunch back up and have quite good hold. Don't worry too much though if you haven't got tension. It's something you will learn over time. Okay, so now strand 1, then strand 2, and then strand 3. So you can see the pattern that occurs. 1, 2, 3. Keep going all the way to the ends and then just tie off with an elastic. We hope that you find this relatively easy. The more you practice, the tighter it will also become. So that is your 3-stranded braid.